Wish you a very lovely good morning, students. Today we are going to start chapter 24, and chapter 24 is homophones, homographs and homonyms. And now we are discuss what is homophones. Okay? Two or more words that are pronounced the same but differ in meaning, origin and spelling are called homophones. Means a homophone is a word that is pronounced the same as another word but differs in meaning. Okay? And see this sentence. This one, my son loves to lie in the sun. Then SON and SUN. Both pronunciation is same, sun. Then homophones is a word that is pronounced the same as another word. Then sun, but differ in meanings. Okay, but differs in meaning. Okay, both meaning is different. Okay. Our parents will arrive in an hour. Then both hour and hour. Okay. Next means both the words in the pairs sun and hour have the same sounds, but they differ from each other in spelling and meaning. Okay. Next, now look at some homophones. First one, alter. ALTER, alter, and ALTAR. Both meaning alter. Okay. Both pronunciation is same, but spelling is different. ALTER, ALTAR. And first one, ALTER, meaning is to change, modify, and alter. ALTAR, that means is a holy place in a church or temple. Okay. Next, selling. Okay. SEALING, selling, that's meaning is closing something tightly, making something watertight or airtight. Okay. Sealing. And sealing. Next, the top inside surface of a room, that called ceiling. Okay. Then all these some examples of homophones. Okay. Now we are discuss exercise A. Exercise A is use words from those discussed above to complete the sentence pairs given below. Okay. Then first, Nancy wanted to fill in the blanks her dress before the wedding. Then alter. Okay. ALTER. Okay. ALTER, that's meaning is modify. Okay. That's meaning is modify, to change. Then fill there. ALTER, alter. Nancy wanted to alter her dress before the wedding. Next, Tina's fiance ran away and left her at the altar, and that altar meaning is a holy place in a church or temple. Okay. That meaning is. Next, second one, as the thief stepped on the motion sensor is triggered of the alarm. Okay. Of the alarm. Then SENSOR, sensor, that meaning is a device sensitive to heat. Okay. Light, pressure, etc. that meaning is. And next, the film was fill in the blanks due to constant use to abusive language. Okay. Then their field censored, that meaning is to remove parts of a book, film, etc. considered offensive morally, politically, etc. means to remove parts of a film. Okay. Third one, the construction fill in the blanks is very far from my house. Then third one, the construction site is very far from my house. There in third one, SITE is site. Okay. That meaning is location. And next, Thus the fill in the blanks of all that blood caused her to faint. Then there fill sight, SIGHT, sight. That meaning is the ability to see, the act of seeing. Okay, next I would like to cite words from this book. Then spelling is there fill CIT is cite. That meaning is quote, list out. Then next one, fourth, only two cabinet ministers had the courage to dissent from the official view. Then there fill it descent. And next one, as the plane began its descent, it burst into flames. Then there fill descent, DESCENT. And fifth one, a party workers had to canvass for votes in their areas. And canvass, CANVASS, that. And in next, this artist painting on canvas are very popular. That mean that spelling is CANVAS, canvas. And both meanings also different. Okay, both meaning are different. Okay, next, it is my greatest wish to own an easily of my own. And ISLE. Okay, and next, I always like to take an easily seat on the plane. Okay, seventh point. Okay, seventh one, she practiced the speech aloud in front of the mirror. Okay, aloud, ALOUD, aloud. There fill it aloud. And next, she was not allowed to read her speech in front of the audience. There fill aloud, ALLOWED, aloud. Okay, then point 8. The point 8 is the colonel was a strict discipliner. Okay, the colonel was a strict discipliner. And next, castle kernel were used in that dish. Okay, that dish. Then both spellings is different and meaning also different. Ninth one, Lucy's mother got angry when she got her naval prize. Okay, and next, the naval officer was extremely honest. 10th one, she received a lot of compliments on her beautiful performance. And next, this necklace really compliments your dress. Okay, then compliments on her beautiful performance and really compliments your different dress. Okay, that spelling is COMPLIMENTS, compliments on her beautiful performance. And that this necklace really compliments your dress. Then compliments spelling is COMPLEMENTS, compliments. Next one, homographs. Okay, next topic is homographs. Two or more words which are spelled the same but differ in meaning. Okay, two or more words which are spelled the same. Okay, spelled the same but differ in meaning, origin or pronunciation are called homographs. Okay, homo means same and graph right. Okay, look this sentence. A turban is a long piece of cloth and you wind around your head. Okay, and next, the cold wind made my teeth chatter. Then the word wind is spelled the same in both the sentences. Okay, WIND, but okay, there WIND and here also WIND. Okay, but has a different pronunciation and meaning in each. Okay, different pronunciation both and meaning in each. In the first sentence, it suggests a circular motion to wrap something around a center. Okay, here it is pronounced wand, and okay, w wand there. And next, the second sentence talks of the wind that blows. It is pronounced as wind. Okay, such pairs of words are homographs. Okay, such pairs of words are homographs. There are many words in the English language that have two syllables and are used both as a noun and a verb. In all such words, when it is used as a noun, the stress is on the first syllable. Okay, when the word is used as a verb, the stress shift to the second syllable. Okay, see this table. This one, noun first syllable stressed. Okay, first syllable stressed. Contract, content, produce, import. Okay, export, refuse, record. Okay, and verb second. Next one, verb second syllable stressed. Contract, content, produce. Okay, produce, import, export. Okay, export. Okay, export, and refuse, record. Okay, now exercise B. Exercise B is fill in the blanks in each sentence with the correct forms of the appropriate word from the box. Read your sentences aloud. Okay, then read your sentences aloud, paying attention to syllable stress. Okay, you read sentences aloud and paying attention to syllable stress. This is a lot of fun if done properly. Okay, then I am, then it is a noun na there, then content. Okay, I am content with the content of this book. Then I am content, then it is a noun first syllable there is stressed, content, and with the content of this book. Then there is second verb syllable, content of this book, then it is a verb, means second syllable stressed. We must refused. Okay, we must refused to throw refuse on the road. Okay, refuse on the roads. Third one, mother object to keeping the puppy even though it was the objects of my love. Okay, next, the convict was convicted for robbery. Next, please give. Okay, for fifth one, please give daddy the presents. Okay, present when I am present. Please give daddy the presents when I am present. Okay, next, maths is a subject due to which I was subjected to a lot of humiliation. Okay, seventh one, my friends just my friend deserted. Okay, my friends deserted me in the middle of the desert. Okay, then next, the medical insurance. Next one, the medical insurance contract covers disease contracted during the journey. Next, exercise C. Exercise C is write the meanings of the words in italics. Okay. Then first, people with invalid passports were sent back to their country. Then in this, that meaning invalid, illegal or unofficial. Next, I can manage on my own. Don't treat me like an invalid. Means that invalid. Second invalid means a person who, who. Okay, it is a person who needs to be taken care of due to illness. Second one, it took us barely a minute to decide it on the venue. That minute meaning is 60 seconds. Okay, and second, next B, the presence of impurities in drinking water even in minute amounts can be dangerous. Then very small, that meaning is very small. Third one, she resumed her career after an interval of 6 months. Okay, then that meaning is restarted. Okay, that resumed means restarted. And next, she presented her resume to the members of the interview panel. Then that meaning is curriculum vitae. Okay, fourth one, I slept when I was putting the vase on the top shelf. Okay, and that putting means is placing. Next, after putting practice, he felt very tired. Then that putting means a stroke in golf. Okay, fifth one, insulin is secreted by the pancreas. Okay, pancreas then produced, that meaning is produced, and that the drugs were secreted in the lining of the case, that meaning is hidden. Okay, next one, sixth is okay, sixth is his wound is festering, he needs to go to the doctor. That wound meaning is injury. Okay, next, he want a bandage around his injured ankle. That meaning is wrapped. Seventh one, it was a pleasure to meet such a learned man. Then that meaning is knowledgeable. Okay, knowledgeable. And next, we learned a lot about animals during our visit to the zoo. That meaning is studied. Okay, next, he mopped all day after he was scolded by his parents. That meaning is was gloomy. Okay, was gloomy. And next, the old man delivered pizzas. Okay, on his moped. That meaning is motorcycle. Okay, moped means motorcycle. Okay, next topic is homonyms. Homonyms means two or more words which are pronounced and spelled the same but have different meanings, had origins, are called homonyms. Okay, means words that have the same spelling and pronunciation. Okay, words that have the same spelling and pronunciation but different meanings are called homonyms. Clear? Homonyms means words that have the same spelling and pronunciation. Okay, words that have the same spellings and pronunciation. Okay, and pronunciation but different meanings are called homonyms. Means spellings and pronunciation are same. Okay, but meaning is different, that calls homonyms. Okay, see example there. The book stood at the river bank. Okay, the boy. The boy stood at the river bank. And next, the boy went to the bank to withdraw some money. Okay, both in sentence using one word bank, but spelling is same, pronunciation is same, but meaning is different. Okay. And in this table give some homonyms word bow. Okay, bow. Spelling is same and pronunciation is same, but meaning is different. One meaning is a kind of tired ribbon, and next a weapon that shoots arrows. Next bill. Okay, one bill, that bill means statement of things bought or services rendered. And second one, back of birds. Next, bark. Okay, that one bark means sound a dog makes, and second, outer layer of a tree trunk. Okay, next one, van. One van meaning is useless, and second, conceited. Next, pants. One pants means trousers, and next, breathing heavily. Okay, and it is a meaning, and this is a sentence. Okay, use the sentence like this bow. Tina tied a beautiful bow in her hair. Next, in the ancient times, bow and arrows were used in wars. Okay.